Good morning, sir. Uh, my app is a mobile app for children's brain development called eGuru. Children, when born, they start their learning experiences from that instant. Research shows that the vital time that contributes immensely to their brain development in school life is the primary education stage. That is the background of my mobile app. The problem my address is grade 1 to 5 is missing brain development activities in current pandemic situation. So a higher tendency for them to become addicted to television. It directly disturbs their brain development procedure. That is the problem I addressed. The solution I proposed is developing a brain developing Android application for the students from grade 1 to 5, and it should operate under the guidance of parents and also the teachers. Designing those activities in my app according to the weight of grades they are learning is different from grade to grade, and also include essential activities that are required to increase the cognitive power of young children. For example, identifying vegetables. These are the interfaces in my mobile app. First one is welcome page, and this one is classroom selection page interface. And the third one is specific grade selected page. This is get started page, and this one is activity 1. Actually, this is for grade 1 class. This one is a particular student's marks page, and this one is teacher's rating for the particular students, and the last one is overall student summary interface. When talking about the uniqueness of my product, there are a huge number of mobile applications available in the App Store related to the educational activities of grade 1 to 5 students, but the proposed application has the ability to be customized by the user, and the user can connect with other users to see the progress of each activity. That is the uniqueness of my app. Basically, I have planned to use telecom APIs. First one is SMS send, and second one is SMS receive. There is a system in telecom APIs. When the particular students log into the system, there is a SMS sent by the teacher to the parent. I use basically four technologies: C++ and Flutter for app development, MySQL for database, and the Java for the programming language, and also Spring Boot. When considering the business model of my app, key partnership is buyer-supplier relationship, and the key activity is software development. And there are basically three key resources: physical, human, and financial. And cost structure is cost-driven and economy of scale. And revenue stream is usage fee, and channel is on direct, and customer segment is niche market, that is a particular specific market, and long-term automated service and communities are the customer relationships. When talking about me, I am Diniti Fernando, a third year undergraduate of Faculty of Information Technology, University of Moradua. So this is the time for you, sir. If any questions, you can ask now.
Do you have any demonstration? If you have demonstrations, you can complete it. Then
Yeah,
we can go for questions.
I have demonstrations. This is welcome page in my mobile app. This is the classroom selection page, and this is the selected class interface in my mobile app eGuru. This is get started interface. That means the actually the basically like the second home page. This is the first activity for grade 1 students. A particular I selected grade 1 class. This is the particular student's marks displaying page. This is teacher's rating for the particular student. This is the student's daily summary.